Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaway, I do a palette giveaway every month. So for this month, it is the Ish I'm Smokin' Hot palette. And the video link of how to enter this palette I will leave in the description box down below. Also, when this channel hits 200 subscribers, I've got a big box of stuff set aside just for you guys, so help us get there. So today we're going to be unboxing the Macy's Beauty Box for June. If you're not familiar with the Beauty Box, they usually send out about 5 either deluxe size, sometimes they'll throw in a full size sample product in there. They're all beauty related, and sometimes even throw in something kind of different and fun. They will also always put a coupon in their box that'll give you $5 to $10 off any product that you purchase from the Macy's Beauty Counter, either on store or online. So let's dive into this box. So they always send their items neatly wrapped in tissue paper. There is always a card that talks a little bit about your items. Looks like there's an item here that could not fit inside the big tissue paper box. And then there is a card in here. It says, oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So we'll have to find out what that's all about. And then Macy's always sends a cute little makeup bag in each of their boxes as well. So let's open this item that wouldn't fit in the tissue. Most of the time the tissue items are inside the makeup bag. So this is, I haven't seen this before. So this package is on the front of the card, but there's nothing inside that says what it is. So I'm just unwrapping this here. Oh, I know what this is, you guys. Okay, so it comes like this, all neatly wrapped up. There's little holes that you can kind of put the string through here on the back. And what this is, instead of sending a makeup bag this time, I love this. They sent a makeup holder that's easy for traveling. Just put your different makeup brushes inside here, kind of roll it up, and then put it in your bag, and it's a great way to store your makeup brushes while you travel. Love this. I don't have one of these. I'm super excited for this. Ooh, and remember how I said every once in a while they'll put in a $10 coupon code? They did do that for this month's box. So the first item in here is by Kiehl's. It is their Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. Full size of this does retail for $42. And it says your skin will love the thick and creamy mask infused with turmeric, which is historically known for antioxidant properties and ability to brighten and treat imperfections. The cranberry seeds adds exfoliation. You apply to cleanse skin and rinse off after 5 to 10 minutes. If you are new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks and review them for you. So look for this in an upcoming video. Next we have a brand I'm really familiar with. It is the Ahava Mineral Body Lotion. A full size of this does retail for $29, and it's made with Dead Sea water that smell alone will transport you halfway around the world. It's also packed with nutrients and minerals to keep your skin nourished. Use daily after you hop out of the shower to seal in moisture. And this is from their water line. I do actually have the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream from their water line. And so I keep this by my bedside table. Been loving this. So I am anxious to try this one. So we were supposed to get the Lancôme UV Expert Aqua Gel Defense 50 here, and I was really anxious to try that one out because I love a good new SPF. Instead, we did get another product from Lancôme, and it is the Advanced Génifique Youth Activating Soothing Eye Cream. Full size of this does retail for $67, and it is a gel-like eye cream powered by Advanced Génifique's bifidus extract to improve dark circles, hydrate, and smooth the eye area. I'm always fighting with my dark circles, so this will be good to try. And the eye cream features a new lightweight gel-like texture that blends into the eye area with soft, velvety finish. The formula features advanced signature bifidus extract, help to strengthen and protect skin's moisture barrier around the delicate eye area. Immediately, the eye area is softer and more hydrated. Over time, the appearance of dark circles are reduced and the eye area is smoother. So I'm all about trying this one. Ooh, I've heard of these before. So this is the Elizabeth Arden Retinol Creamide Capsules Line Erasing Night Serum. Love some line erasing. Need some of that. So wrinkle smoothing and moisture boosting, these capsules keep your daily dose of serum fresh so they don't lose potency. That means you'll get to enjoy the anti-aging and hydrating powers to the fullest. A full package of these retails for $84. And you gently twist, cap around twice, squeeze onto fingertips, smooth serum over cleansed face and neck at night before you moisturize. And they've sent us about 7 of these little capsules. So this I want to try. So here's my thing on skincare, specifically sample sizes. You can't really tell if it's working or not in 7 days. You know, if it's something makeup related, hey, that looks good on, I can get behind that, little sample size of that. Skincare is just harder for me to justify really giving me an honest opinion of the product and also giving you guys a review of it. You can't really do that in 7 days, but I'll give it a try. Here's a product I don't mind getting. It is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin and Turmeric Face Oil. It is new. You're probably getting plenty of vitamin D this summer, but get your vitamin C with this lightweight face oil. It will not only firm up your skin, but also boost the brightening effects of the turmeric. Full size of this does retail for $80. Mix 1 to 3 drops with your favorite serum or moisturizer and apply to clean, damp skin. Face oils, you guys, I put on at the very end. I will put on my serum, then my moisturizer, and then my face oils. Face oils can penetrate through the moisturizer. Your moisturizer cream cannot penetrate through oil. So I do my oils at the end. But I do have the full size of this. So I know this works. I really love this. And this will be great to throw in for when I travel. You know how I said sometimes they throw in non-beauty related items that are just kind of fun? Well, here we go. Here is Fancy Feet. It is the ball of foot gel cushions. Whenever you're traveling, comfort is key. Slip into these, your favorite shoes for extra padding so you can sightsee all day or dance all night long. I think I would definitely put these in some heels. Normally when I sightsee, I just wear a flat, so it's no big deal. But I think this would be perfect for dancing the night away. These do retail for $4.98. Last but not least is by Chloé, Nomade Eau de Perfume. And bring your inner free spirit with a floral blend of Akmas, Fresca, and Mirabella liqueur. Full size of this is retail for $105. I don't mind the perfume samples. I just have a little jar and I put them in my guest room for whenever my guests come over. Last time, if you do remember, I squirted this right in my eye. So I got to make sure it's pointed this way. It's a very light, fresh, reminds me almost like a springtime type floral scent. I like this. So we got the Fancy Feet, the Lancôme eye cream, the Retinol capsules, the Ahava lotion, the Kiehl's face mask, the Sunday Riley oil, the Chloé perfume, and then that makeup brushed little holder. So out of here, I always have to say my favorites are, I'm taking this brush holder, And the CEO Sunday Riley, love this, can't recommend this enough. And I'm really excited to try the mask from Kiehl's. What were your favorite items? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you like our videos and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.